Many people has actually been asking me, why is it that when I create my stories or when I create my videos, my dialogue videos using Flow AI, Watermark don't used to show on my own, but Watermark used to show on their own. In today's video, I'm going to show you the legit way you can actually stop Flow Watermark from showing on your videos if you are using them to generate your video. Just stay with me from very start to the end. That's all. Then do the necessity by subscribing and turning on notification sign so you always get notified whenever what I drop an amazing tutorial tips like this. Let me show you guys how I always blind my watermark from showing if I'm using Flow AI, be it the paid Flow or the free 50 credit that Flow do give us every single day. Let me show you guys. Follow me. First thing you need to do is to log into your Flow using your Chrome browser. So once your Chrome browser is open like this, you come here and search for Flow AI. You see where I circled for you, that is where you will actually click. So when you click on this your Flow AI, then you wait for Flow AI to display. So once you're seeing this stuff on your device, so all you need to do is to tap on this first place. This is the first link you have to click. Now when you click on this first link, the very first thing it's going to do is to take you straight to the landing page of Flow AI. Now once you find yourself here, you don't need to worry. Now look at what Flow says here. Flow will give you what? We keep giving you 50 credits until August 31st. After 31st of August, automatically nothing like 50 credit again from Flow AI. That is the information we are actually seeing here. Good. So after this, let's just exit this and have this. Now the very first thing you need to do is this. You tap on this page that says new project, but if you've not signed in, automatically Flow AI is going to direct you where you will select email of your choice to log in to their website. So after that, you click on new project. Now once you click on this new project, what it simply means is this: you want to start creating something afresh using a new page or a new sheet inside Flow AI. So once this new project has opened now, the very first thing you need to do is before you start creating anything, the first thing you need to do is this: make sure you tap on this place that has your email initial name, the first name that started your email. That's what that is, simply means or signifies. Now when you tap on this place now, you just exercise patient. Now this place you tap, this is where you will see the amount of credit you have left, and then this is where you are going to do the magic, turning off the Flow watermark visibility on your videos. Now as you can see, this is the 50 credits that Flow did give on that do give daily. You see that? So then after that, if you want to upgrade, you click here to upgrade. And if you want to create avatar, you click here to create avatar. This is manage membership, then sign out. That's actually if you want to sign in using another email, or maybe you've exhausted your free credit. If you want to sign out, you click here and then sign into another email of your choice. Now after that, coming under this page, do you see this page that says visible watermarking? Now if you turn it on, what it simply means is this: when you create your videos, it will surely have Flow watermark on it, but if it is turned off, automatically nothing is going to show. So this is just how to do what to turn off watermark from showing when you are using Flow AI. And mind you, whether you are using the free version of Flow or you are using the paid version, this stuff will definitely be visible for you. So all you need to do is just to head over to your Flow and then turn it off right now. If you find value from this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification sign, because that's the only way you will keep getting notification when I drop a valuable tips like this that can actually help you. Catch you guys on another tutorial video, and bye.